Today we'll explain how to connect a 12-volt motor to a transformer. Here is a 12-volt, 11-watt motor and a 12-volt transformer supporting up to 40-watt load. Step 1. Connect the input wires. Cut off the original connector first. Input terminals: L equals live wire, N equals neutral wire. Ground equals optional. Connect live and neutral wires first. After connecting, pull gently to check. If it doesn't come loose, the connection is secure. Step 2. Connect the motor output. The transformer has positive plus symbol and negative minus symbol terminals, supporting up to 2 motors. Connect the motor wires, positive to positive, negative to negative. Check by pulling gently. No movement means the connection is secure. The first motor is now connected. Step 3. Power on test. Turn on the power. If the motor makes a beep or response sound, the wiring is correct. If there is no response, the polarity may be reversed. Test motor movement. If it runs normally, the wiring is correct. Step 4. Connect the second motor. Disconnect power first. Connect positive wire second positive terminal. Negative wire corresponding negative terminal. After connecting, check carefully for exposed metal wires. Reconnect power and test. If the motor responds normally, the wiring is correct. Step 5. Expand to additional motors. Disconnect power. Use parallel wiring connectors. Important: insert wires fully into terminals. No exposed metal is allowed. Connect to a higher power transformer if needed. For example, 200-watt transformer. The same setup applies: 2 positive terminals plus 2 negative terminals. After wiring, inspect all exposed wire ends. Reconnect power and test. Installation completed when motors operate normally.